Hey guys, Tatum here, Beyond the Line Racing, and finally got the body kit for my daughter's little mini bike right there. So she wanted a pink bike, so I'm going through and I'm spraying all the white panels, and gonna hopefully put it on the bike tonight, and hopefully it'll come out looking good, looking cool. Probably gotta do some modifications and whatnot, just like what I did with my MX 350 right here. But yeah, she looks something similar to that, so let me finish painting these and I will catch you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? Dale Tatum here, Beyond the Line Racing, and I just got the body kit on my daughter's 50, and I think it came out pretty sick. I had to do some slight modifications on it, but overall it wasn't bad. It came together pretty easy. The only thing that I need to do is build some sort of kind of bracket system for the seat. It's a little loose, but I just want to make that sturdy and make it safe for her, and then she can go out and kick some ass and ride some dirt bikes. So this is a Coolster 50cc dirt bike. It's got the pull start, and got this body kit on there, and came out fucking sick. I like it. So yeah, this is the bike, and catch you guys later.